candidates therein for city municipality offices in the election held on May 13, 2013. Attached here to and forming part thereof is a statement of votes by precinct CF number 20-A-1 obtained by each candidate for the offices of the mayor and vice mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Obaygar Nicasio L. obtained 5,804 votes for the office of city municipality mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. And Baksal David Day obtained 6,201 votes for the office of the city municipality vice mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidates as the duly elected city municipal mayor and city municipal vice mayor. In witness whereof, we have signed this presence in Calvida, province of Samar, Eastern Samar, this May 14, 2013. The city municipal board of councilors, Chairman Blas Barday, affixes his signature and Thomas. Vice Chairman Mario Abuad affixes his signature Tarmac, and Member Secretary Rosario Ibascon affixes his signature and Thomas. Congratulations.
Alam. Traditional raising of hands.
Number 28, Certificate of Canvass and Votes Information of winning candidates for members of the City Municipal Council, May 13, 2013, National Local Elections, May 13, 2013. May the undersigned members of the City Municipal Board of Councilors do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 42 precincts in the City Municipality for the candidates therein for City Municipality offices in the elections held on May 13, 2013. Attached hereto and forming part of the statement votes by presidency number 20-8 obtained by each candidate for the offices of the members of the City Municipal Council. Names of winning candidates. Abaygar Miguel Jr. T. Number of votes obtained 5,866. Dakaymat Rubin R. 5,082. Mocha Sandra Matrona A. 5,063. Natario Reed L. 4,941. Cabornay Miguel C. 4,665. Radomis Amalia B. 4,511. Agbon Romulo Jr. J. 4,351. Marino Milton J. 4,319. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named winning candidates as the duly elected members of the City Municipal Council, Municipality of Calvida, Eastern Samar. In witness of whereof, we have affixed our signatures and records of commerce and the Municipality of Calvida, Province of Samar, Eastern Samar, this May 14, 1828. The City Municipal Board of Canvassers, Chairman Gus A. Bardahi, affixes his signature and commerce. Vice Chairman Mario Capuat affixes his signature and commerce. Member Secretary Rosario Buston affixes her signature at his commerce. Congratulations.